Hi, welcome to our channel. This video is a comprehensive guide on building a successful brand. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of creating a brand from scratch and establishing its presence in the market. Building a brand is a strategic endeavor that goes beyond just a logo or a catchy tagline. It's about crafting a compelling story, connecting with your target audience, and delivering a consistent and memorable experience. Join us as we dive deep into the world of branding and uncover the secrets to building a brand that stands out from the competition and leaves a lasting impression. Before we get started, please subscribe our channel. So, let's get started on this exciting journey of brand building. For brand building, we will have to go through 9 steps, and we will explain one by one in detail. They are: 1. Introduction to branding. 2. Pre-brand development phase. 3. Brand identity creation. 4. Brand messaging and communication. 5. Building brand awareness. 6. Brand experience and customer service. 7. Brand monitoring and adaptation. 8. Brand growth and expansion, and finally number 9. Conclusion. So let's start one by one. Number 1. Introduction to branding. What is a brand? A brand represents the perception, reputation, and overall image of a company, product, or service in the minds of consumers. It encompasses not only the visual elements like the logo and design, but also the values, personality, and emotions associated with the brand. Why is branding important? Effective branding helps differentiate your business from competitors, builds recognition and loyalty among customers, and establishes trust and credibility in the marketplace. It also influences consumer purchasing decisions and creates long-term value for your company. The benefits of building a strong brand. A strong brand attracts and retains customers, commands premium pricing, increases customer loyalty, and provides a competitive advantage. It also facilitates expansion into new markets, fosters brand advocacy, and drives business growth. Number 2. Pre-brand development phase. Defining your brand strategy. Identifying your target audience. Research and analyze your potential customer base to understand their demographics, preferences, and needs. Conducting market research. Gather information about the industry, market trends, and customer behavior to identify opportunities and challenges. Analyzing your competitors. Study your competitors' branding strategies, market positioning, and unique selling propositions to differentiate your brand effectively. Determining your unique value proposition. Define what sets your brand apart from competitors and identify the unique benefits you offer to customers. Developing your brand positioning. Crafting your brand mission and vision. Define the purpose and long-term aspirations of your brand, reflecting its core values and guiding principles. Establishing brand values and personality. Determine the key attributes and characteristics that define your brand's personality and align with your target audience. Creating a brand positioning statement. Summarize the unique value your brand offers and how it fulfills the needs of your target audience in a concise and compelling statement. Number 3. Brand identity creation. Designing your brand name and logo. Choosing a memorable and meaningful brand name. Select a name that resonates with your target audience, reflects your brand's identity, and is available for trademark registration. Creating a visually appealing and representative logo. Design a unique and recognizable logo that captures the essence of your brand and can be easily identified across various platforms. Developing your brand identity system. Selecting brand colors, typography, and imagery. Choose a color palette, fonts, and visual elements that convey the desired emotions and align with your brand's personality. Designing brand guidelines for consistency. Develop a comprehensive set of guidelines that ensure consistent application of your brand elements across all touch points, maintaining a cohesive brand image. Creating a brand voice and tone. Define the style, tone, and language your brand will use to communicate with its target audience, reflecting your brand's personality and values. Number 4. Brand messaging and communication. Crafting your brand story. Defining your brand narrative and origin. Develop a compelling and authentic brand story that connects with consumers on an emotional level, highlighting the history, mission, and values of your brand. Communicating your brand's purpose and values. Clearly articulate the purpose and core values of your brand, demonstrating how they guide your business decisions and resonate with your target audience. Developing your brand messaging strategy. Creating key messages and taglines. Craft concise and impactful messages that communicate the unique value proposition and positioning of your brand. Tailoring your messaging to different target audiences. Customize your messaging to effectively engage specific segments of your target audience, considering their demographics, preferences, and needs. Incorporating storytelling into your brand communication. Use storytelling techniques to engage and captivate your audience, creating a deeper emotional connection and fostering brand loyalty. Number 5. Building brand awareness. Creating a brand website. Choosing a domain name and hosting platform. Select a domain name that aligns with your brand and is easy to remember, and choose a reliable hosting platform for your website. Designing a user-friendly and visually appealing website. Create a well-designed and intuitive website that is easy to navigate, visually pleasing, and optimized for mobile devices. Optimizing your website for search engines, SEO. Implement SEO best practices to improve your website's visibility in search engine results and attract organic traffic. Implementing content marketing. Creating a content strategy and editorial calendar. Develop a plan for creating and distributing valuable and relevant content that aligns with your brand and engages your target audience. Producing valuable and engaging content, blog posts, videos, etc. Generate high-quality content in various formats that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. Promoting your content through social media and other channels. Share your content on relevant social media platforms, industry forums, and other channels to increase visibility and drive traffic to your website. Leveraging social media marketing. Selecting the appropriate social media platforms for your brand. Identify the social media platforms where your target audience is most active and engage with them effectively. Developing a consistent brand presence on social media. Establish a consistent brand voice, visual identity, and posting schedule on social media to maintain a strong brand presence. Engaging with your audience and building a community. Actively interact with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Utilizing influencer marketing by identifying relevant influencers in your industry. Research and identify influencers who have a genuine connection with your target audience and align with your brand values. Collaborating with influencers to promote your brand. Develop mutually beneficial partnerships with influencers, such as sponsored content or brand collaborations, to increase brand visibility and credibility. Measuring the effectiveness of influencer campaigns. Set clear goals and key performance indicators, KPIs, for your influencer campaigns and track their impact on brand awareness and engagement. Implementing paid advertising. Choosing the right advertising channels, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc. Determine the most effective advertising channels based on your target audience, budget, and marketing objectives. Creating compelling ad copy and visuals. Craft persuasive and attention-grabbing ad content that conveys your brand's unique value proposition and resonates with your target audience. Monitoring and optimizing your ad campaigns. Continuously monitor the performance of your ad campaigns, analyze key metrics, and make data-driven optimizations to improve effectiveness and ROI. Number 6. Brand experience and customer service. Creating a seamless brand experience. Aligning your brand values with customer touchpoints. Ensure that every interaction customers have with your brand, from pre-purchase to post-purchase, reflects and reinforces your brand's values. Designing a user-friendly and intuitive customer journey. Map out the various touchpoints customers go through when interacting with your brand and optimize them for a seamless and positive experience. Enhancing the physical and digital interactions with your brand. Pay attention to both online and offline customer experiences, optimizing websites, apps, physical stores, packaging, and customer service interactions. Providing exceptional customer service. Training your staff to deliver consistent brand experiences. Educate and empower your employees to embody your brand values and provide exceptional customer service at every touchpoint. Implementing effective customer support channels. Offer multiple channels for customers to reach out for support, such as phone, email, live chat, and social media, and ensure timely and personalized responses. Encouraging and responding to customer feedback. Actively seek customer feedback and reviews, listen to their suggestions, and make improvements based on their input to enhance the customer experience. Number 7. Brand monitoring and adaptation. Tracking brand performance. Measuring brand awareness and reach. Utilize metrics like website traffic, social media followers, and brand mentions to gauge the visibility and reach of your brand. Analyzing customer engagement and sentiment. Monitor customer interactions, feedback, and sentiment on social media and review platforms to assess the perception and satisfaction levels of your brand. Monitoring brand reputation and online mentions. Stay alert to brand mentions, both positive and negative, on social media, review sites, and other online platforms, and address any reputation issues promptly. Conducting market research and competitor analysis. Staying updated on industry trends and customer preferences. Continuously research and analyze industry trends, customer behavior, and emerging technologies to identify opportunities and adapt your brand strategy accordingly. Analyzing competitors' strategies and positioning. Keep a close eye on your competitors' branding efforts, market positioning, and marketing campaigns to identify gaps or areas for improvement in your own strategy. Identifying opportunities for brand improvement and differentiation. Regularly evaluate your brand's performance, customer feedback, and market conditions to identify opportunities for innovation, differentiation, and staying ahead of the competition. Evolving and adapting your brand strategy. Revisiting your brand positioning and messaging periodically. Periodically review and refine your brand positioning, messaging, and visual identity to ensure they align with the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience. Making necessary adjustments based on market insights. Stay flexible and agile in responding to market changes, customer feedback, and emerging trends, and make necessary adjustments to your brand strategy. Continuously innovating to meet changing customer needs. Foster a culture of innovation within your organization, actively seeking new ways to meet and exceed customer expectations and maintain a competitive edge. Number 8. Brand growth and expansion. Scaling your brand presence. Expanding your product or service offerings. Diversify your offerings to cater to the evolving needs and preferences of your target audience and capture new market segments. Entering new markets or target segments. Identify opportunities for expansion into new geographic markets or target segments that align with your brand's mission and value proposition. Partnering with complementary brands for co-marketing opportunities. Collaborate with like-minded brands that complement your offerings, allowing for cross-promotion and reaching a wider audience. Building brand loyalty and advocacy. Creating loyalty programs and rewards for existing customers. Implement loyalty programs, exclusive offers, or personalized rewards to incentivize repeat purchases and foster long-term customer loyalty. Encouraging customer reviews and referrals. Actively seek and encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews and refer your brand to their networks, leveraging word-of-mouth marketing. Cultivating brand ambassadors and advocates. Identify and nurture brand enthusiasts who can become influential advocates, engaging them in activities such as user-generated content, testimonials, or brand collaborations. Number 9. Building a brand requires a strategic approach that encompasses various aspects of brand development, messaging, communication, and customer experience. By following the steps outlined in this video and consistently nurturing your brand, you can create a strong and influential brand that resonates with your target audience, drives loyalty, and contributes to long-term business success. Remember, brand building is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, adaptation, and innovation to stay relevant in a dynamic marketplace. Branding is the cornerstone of business success. It's more than just a logo or a name, it's the story, values, and experiences that define your brand. By building a strong brand, you can differentiate yourself, connect with your audience, and foster loyalty. So, invest in your brand, be consistent, and watch your business thrive. If you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel for more valuable videos. Thank you for joining us on this branding adventure, and may your brand reach new heights of success.